Alright, scrappers, I got this AC adapter here I'm going to scrap. This is a neat one. It's got a 120-240 switch on top of it. Never seen that before. It says Remington. I don't know, it's probably for an electric shaver or something. Usually I just smash these with a hammer and it splits them open. But I got this cool chisel I found. I think I'd give it a shot. Oh, look at that, one little hit. I like that. I'm going to use that more often. Got plastic to recycle. Nice little transformer full of copper. Now these wires, I'm going to clip these as close as I can to the brass plug ends. And then from the other side, I'm going to pry them out. There we go, it pried out. Don't cut them, they pry out. Brass is, I think it's $1.97 right now. So, I save all my brass. I try to get as much as I can. Brass adds up quick. Got some number 2 copper here for my bucket. Number 2 coated copper. Some more number 2 coated copper. This is too thin, I'm not really going to strip it. But this plug end here looks like a stereo headphone jack. And these things are always brass. So I'm going to go ahead and clip that off too. This is number 2 coated copper. And these things usually have a little circuit board on them. This one's green on one side, brown on the other. So it's a number 2 circuit board, or shit board I call it. And the transformer, I always just clamp them in a vise. And then hacksaw through one half of it. Doesn't take long. And now, on the other side, I do the same on the other side. You can get away with just doing it on one side. But it is so much easier if you do it on both. I just get this little bit of plastic off. And the copper just pretty much falls out of it. There's quite a bit of number 2 copper in one of these. Sometimes it helps if you use a screwdriver to pry. Sometimes you can tap it through the bottom, like this one. Give me back my screwdriver. Wasn't that hard at all. Sometimes it's just easier just to pull it out through the top. it all adds up. There's scrap everywhere out there. That wasn't that bad. A couple minutes worth of work for probably $1 worth of scrap. If I can get this last little bit out. Yeah, not bad at all. A nice little piece of heavy melt. We got a whole bunch of number 2 copper here. A couple pieces of brass and some coated copper to strip. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.